Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be giving you project overview of Ace Enclave by Ace Realty located in Casa Varavli, Thane West. As you can see, I'm standing right inside the actual lobby. Now I'll be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and the neighborhood of this project. But before that, let me tell you the points that we're going to be discussing in this video. So we're going to be talking about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. Now before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. As you can see, I'm standing right in front of the main gate. Right behind me is the actual tower. You can also have a look at the neighborhood of the project. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 1 acre with single tower, ground plus 21 floors, with 22 floors is going to be recreational floor with configuration of just 1 BHK. Talking about the exact connectivity, so this project is located in Overlay Gorbandar Road with Gorbandar Road at a distance of just 700 meters.
Govni Wada metro station at a distance of 1 kilometer.
School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 10 plus amenities which includes guest house, gymnasium, 2 banquet halls, kids play area and many more. Are you planning to buy a home in Mumbai and Thane? Then I have a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are unaware of their actual rights. For example, अगर आपने टोकन अमाउंट देके कोई घर बुक कर दिया है और आप कैंसिल करना चाहते हैं तो लीगली बिल्डर कितने पैसे डिडक्ट कर सकता है, ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगेन, पोजेशन के बाद कोई लीकेज या कंस्ट्रक्शन रिलेटेड इशू आता है तो व्हाट लायबिलिटी डज द बिल्डर होल्ड? We have explained all these problems in very easy to understand and simple language in this series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर I button या description box में मिल जाएगा. Talking about carpet area, this project has only one configuration, 1 BHK with carpet area of 347 square feet. Talking about booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the payment and EMI scheme, will also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat, and then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for this project is going to be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the project overview of Ace Enclave by Ace Realty located in Gorbandar Road, Thane. To get more information about this very amazing property, download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.